So, Paul Butler, can you talk us through a little bit about how the law in North Carolina, and I realize this is not perhaps your most intense area of expertise, but as someone who is familiar with how this can vary from state to state, North Carolina seems to have a statute. It was that reporters asked about it repeatedly at the press conference because it creates a special set of rules for viewing this kind of footage, and to the point that Mark was making about transparency here. How do you think this investigation should be proceeding, and what's your view of the potential conflicts that Mark raises?
So, Casey, the police were trying to arrest an unarmed black man in his car. 44 seconds later, they shoot him dead. There are open questions about whether the district attorney's decision not to hold any officer accountable is objective and consistent with the evidence. The DA's comments made it seem like Mr. Brown, the victim, was the one being investigated. The DA sounded like the sheriff in a Western movie, essentially saying that they had to take Mr. Brown dead or alive. But Casey, that's not the law for someone the police are trying to investigate and arrest for a non-violent drug crime. They could have let him go and arrested him another time. One important question is whether Mr. Brown was simply trying to escape or whether he was trying to run over the officers. Trying to escape or resist arrest do not on their own justify the police killing you.
So, Paul, is there any recourse now for the family? I mean, what happens next?
Yeah, so there is a federal investigation going on right now. The Justice Department have brought charges, federal civil rights charges against the officers who are implicated in the case of Minneapolis involving George Floyd. Under Attorney General Garland, we've seen stepped up enforcement against police officers and individual officers, as well as police departments and individual officers. Still, federal prosecutions face a higher standard than state prosecutions, and sometimes the Justice Department can move quite slowly. It took them 5 years to decide not to bring federal charges in the case involving Eric Garner in Staten Island. So I think we're unlikely to see the feds move quickly, but that's a possibility.